How to send messages with an echo effect on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send message with an awesome echo effect on your iPhone. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the message app and choose a conversation. And once you have selected the conversation, type your message like hello, or you can even add emoji if you want. If you send it normally, it will appear like a regular message. But to send it with an echo effect, here is what you need to do. Tap and hold on the little green arrow you use to send the messages. And this will open a hidden menu with the different effects. By default, it shows the bubble effects like slam and loud. To use echo effect, tap screen at the top of a menu and the first option you will see is send with echo, which fills the entire screen with the copies of your messages. You can swipe to check out the other effects like spotlight, balloons and confetti, but for now, let's stick with the echo. When you are ready, tap on the green arrow to send it. And there you go, the message fills the screen with cool echo animation. It's perfect for grabbing attention or just having some fun. When the recipient opens the message app, they will see the echo animation play. And if they want to see it again, they can tap on replay to watch the effect as many times as they like. And that's how you can send messages with echo effect on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.